Hi children, in this video I am going to discuss about 8th class maths associative property under subtraction. Actually we have in our textbook one important question: is associative property satisfies under subtraction? Is the question they ask you. Very important question which carries 8 marks. This is essay question. So today I am going to explain this associative property under subtraction. Okay, now listen everyone and look at the board. Okay, firstly associative property. Actually in previous video I discussed associative property under addition. In associative property we have to take 3 rational numbers. For example A, B, C. These are the 3 rational numbers: A, B, C, 3 rational numbers. And subtraction, under subtraction, minus. Subtraction means minus. But how we represent associative means, first you keep bracket for first 2 numbers. Bracket for first 2 numbers. Bracket for first 2 numbers. A minus B of minus C. This is called as LHS. This is called as LHS. And now use equality symbol and write RHS also. What would be the RHS? Again you write A minus B minus C and represent the bracket. Apply the bracket for last 2 numbers. Last 2 numbers, apply the bracket for last 2 numbers. If we apply the bracket for first 2 numbers, that is LHS. After that, you change to apply the bracket for last 2 numbers, then that is called as RHS. So, if LHS value, RHS value, both are equal, then it is called as associative property and it will satisfy. What is LHS? A minus B of minus C. And what is RHS? A minus of B minus C. If both are equal, then associative property will satisfy. Otherwise, not satisfy. Now I am going to how it will be. Is it satisfies or not? By using some example, I am going to discuss about associative property. So here also you take 3 rational numbers, 1 by 2, 3 by 5 and 5 by 3. 1 by 2, 3 by 5 and 5 by 3 are the 3 rational numbers I took here. So again I am going to apply this is as LHS. Left hand side. So I completed LHS. Again we have to write RHS also. What is RHS? RHS. You write same fractions 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 5 by 3. Use subtraction symbols. Apply the bracket for first 2 brackets. And here apply the bracket for last 2 brackets. In between use the symbol equality. So now the process begins. Here we have to take LCM. The most important point is LCM. What is the LCM of denominator 2, 5, 3? 2, 5, 3. 2, 5, 3. 2 is not a factor of 5. And also 3. 5 is not a factor of 2 and 3. 3 is not a factor of 5 and 2. So here the 3 denominators, they are not factors to each other. So that product of 3 numbers, 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. 30 is the LCM of the denominators here. So do remember everyone, LH is completed. RHS completed. After that, you take the LCM of the denominators. Now we got the LCM is 30. Multiply each and every fraction with the 30 table. 30 is the LCM, so that you take this 30 and multiply 1 by 2 with 30. Minus 3 by 5 into 30. Keep the bracket. Minus 5 by 3 into 30 equal to 1 by 2 into 30 minus of 3 by 5 into 30 minus 5 by 3 into 30. So every fraction I multiplied with 30. So now get cancellation. 2 ones, 2 15s, 5 ones, 5 six are, 3 ones, 3 tens, 2 ones, 2 15s, 5 6 are, 3 tens are. So all will get cancelled. 15 ones are 15, 3 6 are 18, minus 5 tens are 50, 15 ones are 15, minus of 6 threes are 18, minus 5 tens are 50. Now see here, we get minus 3 here and minus 50. 15 minus of 18 minus 50. How much it is? 50 minus 18. 50 minus 18 means 10, 0. It will get 2 here and 4 minus 1, 3, 32. Minus 32. So now here we get minus 53. Minus 3 minus 50 minus 53. 15 minus into minus plus 15 plus 32, 5 plus 2, 7, 1 plus 3, 4, 47. We got here 47. So minus 53 is not equal to 47. Both are not equal numbers. LHS and RHS got two different numbers. They are not equal. So that what we conclude? We conclude that associative property not satisfied under subtraction. This is the conclusion of associative property under subtraction. Did you understand? So what the question they raise to you means, is associative property satisfies under subtraction? What is the conclusion? Associative property doesn't satisfy under subtraction. This is the example for associative property under subtraction. So for practice purpose, I am going to give one problem to you. So work out the problem associative property under subtraction. So now write down, children. The problem is 3 by 5 minus 4 by 3 minus 7 by 2. Bracket for first two numbers. Bracket for first two numbers. This is LHS. Same numbers, and we apply the bracket for last two numbers, that is RHS. This is one problem of associative property under subtraction. It will also not satisfy. Work out the second problem, one more problem. 7 by 2 minus 4 by 5 minus of 3 by 2. Again 7 by 2 minus 4 by 5 minus 3 by 2. Bracket for last two numbers. So work out one more problem. 1 by 5 minus 2 by 7 minus 9 by 4 is equal to 1 by 5 minus 2 by 7 minus 9 by 4, bracket for last two numbers. So children, work out all these three problems at home. Don't be neglect your studies. This is most important concept. I hope you definitely do all these problems. So we meet again in the next class. Till then, have a nice day. Bye everyone.